For the last 26 years, the UK has been selling oil, the North Sea. That's what saved the UK in the past 3 decades. It's finished. The North Sea oil is running out. Within the decade, the UK will be importing oil again. And then they've got nothing to sell. The UK city of London was a disaster. That's where a lot of these problems originated, because they left the US and went to the UK because they could make more money. That's finished. I mean, again, I hate to say it, but I would not put any money in the UK. I've sold all of my sterling. I'm still short the calls. I'm still short the call options on the ETFs and investment banks. Yes, I am indeed.
And
they're all going to go to, I'm going to make 100% of my money, and I hope in all of them.
that presumably then would offset what must have been losses on your calls so far on China and commodities.
Well, there's no question that my Chinese shares from the top are down, but I've been buying Chinese shares again since October and November, and those shares are up nicely. My commodities I bought since then are up nicely. Granted, any commodities that if you measure them from the top, or if you measure if you measure anything from the top to now, you have a loss. There's no question about that. Absolutely no question.
But you carried on buying since July last year, which was the peak for the oil market.
No. I started buying commodities in October, November during the selling climax, and I've been buying commodities since the selling climax. Agriculture, metals, and energy, all three. Mm-hmm. And I bought China in October and November. I don't think I bought any since, but I'm waiting to buy if they will go down again.
On the Chinese stocks you've been buying, of course, like any economy, there's a whole range of companies. Some of those are very dependent on exports, and the export markets have dried up. Others on the domestic economy, others on commodities. What are you buying?
Well, but the way you make money is you find the things where the fundamentals are not impaired and where they're enhanced, and things like water treatment in China. The Chinese government is spending hundreds of billions of dollars to solve the water problem. They're spending the same for agriculture. They're spending the same on railroads, infrastructure. I mean, there are lots of parts of the Chinese economy that are going to do extremely well no matter what happens to the rest of the world. If America and Europe fall off the face of the earth, the people in the water business in China are not going to know it. They're too busy going to work every day and too busy making money. What I'm buying now, or have been buying, are commodities in China and the yen. That's where I'm continuing to put my money. But if people don't know what the yen is,